Yeah, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson today. Yeah, for today, I just want to show you the 145 chord progression uh, in your fretboard. Okay, and you know this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video on this channel. Okay. If you like this video, you're gonna drop a thumbs up, okay? If you have any challenge, you can drop it in the comment section below. I would really appreciate, okay? And if you want a one-on-one lessons, okay, on my personal tutorial, you can chat me up on WhatsApp there. My number is on the screen. You can chat me up there, okay? I'm gonna respond to you appropriately. Okay guys, for today I just want to show you a simple lesson that you're going to apply in the lessons, okay, that will help you. Some basic chord you can improvise over the 145 chord progressions, okay. In your playing, mostly as a beginners, the first chord you start playing is the 145, which is the do, va, and sol chord progression. Alright guys, so without wasting much of the time, I would like you to go into us to go into the video, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna do this lesson in the key of C. Okay? I believe many of you know the key of C. So I'm gonna take this close so you can see my fingers very well, okay? And this is the key of C. On the fifth string, this is the key of C. And we have the key of C on the second string here again. We have the key of C on the third string here, and we have it on the fourth string here. Okay, so at this position, and here again. So those are the keys of C, the root note. Okay, then so forth and so on and so forth. Okay, you play it backward and you have more the same pattern here. You still have them backward there. Okay. So this is the key of C. Okay. Okay. So that is a one chord. Many of you might not really know how to hold your C chord at these positions. Okay. So this is how. Okay, so this is how it sounds. This is the C chord. Okay, so this is your one chord. So your ring finger goes to the root, then your index finger goes to the mi on the first string. While you play the open third, this is the sol, play the open note. Then your first finger goes to the second string, your do again. Okay, so if that is as simple as you can hold your C chord on the neck, okay. Then you strum all the strings from your fifth string. Okay, now going to your fourth chord, which is your va, the F, okay. Okay, your ring finger goes to the do, still on the do. Your pinky, okay, you play your pinky, you put your pinky on the va, okay. Pinky is on the va, okay. While your index finger is on the mi, on the third string. Then your first finger bar the fourth fret here, okay. First finger bar all the string from the first string from the root. That is your key of F, which is the fourth chord, which is the va chord of key of C. Now going to your sol, that is the G G, the same pattern. You hold your F, you hold it the same on the G, okay? Okay, so let me just play this beat so that you can improvise with it so that you hear how it sounds. You see what I just played there? So what I just played there is mi, la, re, sol, mi, la, re, sol, do. Okay. So this is your mi chord. Okay, how to form your mi chord? Know that forms your mi chord is the mi, ti, mi, okay, mi, ti, sol, mi, ti, sol. Like this is your do root note now. You go from your first finger from this bar from this your root note, okay, to the sol. Then your index finger on the T, on the third string, okay, this is the T, okay, and this is the ring finger goes to the sol on the fourth string, okay, while your pinky go to the mi here, okay, because this is do, re, mi, okay. So note that forms the mi chord is a do, sol, ti, mi, sol, okay. Then go to your la. This is your la, okay. The note that forms the la chord is mi, la, do, la, okay. Your first finger bar from the la here on the sixth fret, okay. Okay, then your ring finger on the mi on the fifth string, okay, and the fifth string, while your pinky goes to the fourth string, your your la, okay, la, okay. Then you go back, now you go to the re, okay. The same shape you hold on the la, you bring the two fingers down, okay, to the la, re, while your index fingers go to the va, okay, the same shape, okay, that gives you a re chord, okay, that gives you a re chord. Then to your sol, the previous sol I showed you. Okay. Okay. Then you play your do. Okay. So that is some basic chord you can improvise on 1-4-5 chord progressions. Okay. Your mi, la, re, sol. Okay, mi, la, re, sol. You can improvise that on your 1-4-5. So you hear the sound, you can improve that, okay, on your 1-4-5 chord progressions. and that's going to sound better and sound nice as well. Okay, your mi, la, re, so. Okay, so guys, I believe this lesson might help you in one way or the other, and I believe you're gonna become a good guitarist there. Okay, so keep working hard. Okay, if you have any suggestion, you can drop it on the comment section. I will be glad seeing that. Okay, like I said earlier, if it is the first time watching my video, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Bye, see you in the next video.